Hey guys, got a sticker that's we're sticking up here in the shop. Welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. We're getting closer each day. Hey guys, got a little bit of a package from Temu here, or Temu, however you want to say it. I think they say Temu, but this is sandpaper I've been using. It's fits my little Black & Decker sander, and it comes in, it's a multi-pack, and so it's the hook and latch deal. And I've been using these. I haven't had any problem with them. They may not last the longest, but I mean, I'm paying $8 or something like that for this, so it's not super expensive. But let's see what we have in here. Well, this is what we got. These come in, there's like 5 pieces per of each kind. So basically, I started out with the 60 is the coarsest, and then it goes I believe to 120. Yep, 120. And then you can see that's 240 is the next one, and then 400 and 800. Now there are some, one of the last ones I got went finer. I think it went up to like 2,000. But I've been using these, and they go pretty, you know, they go pretty good. And you know, I'm a budget deal, so, but there's roughly, looks like there's about 10 60 grits, and that helps with roughing things out and getting things going. So just wanted to give you a little bit of a shout out or a show of what I'm using for the for sandpaper on my project here. You know, you got to save where you save. Some of the sandpaper is really pricey, so this seems to be okay. If there's a failure or something, I don't see it working very well, you know, I'll put another review up and saying, hey, this stuff works for crap. But so far I've been using it and haven't had a problem with it. But I am using the coarser grits, 120. I've used the 60. I haven't used the super fine stuff. I do have some headlights to do on my headlight to do on my Prius that I need to get shined up. So it's getting pretty dim. But anyhow, so hope the tips are good.